In the dance of heavy machinery, bulldozers take the stage with their formidable blades, excelling in material removal. They are the muscle of any operation requiring the relocation of earth, debris, or rubble. With a powerful push, these machines can clear large areas, prepping sites for new beginnings, their tracks etching the path of progress into the very ground they transform. On the canvas of the earth, bulldozers are the artists of leveling. Gliding over hillocks and dips, they craft a flat surface, essential for foundational work in various projects. Whether preparing the groundwork for agricultural spaces or setting the stage for future buildings, the dozer's blade ensures the land conforms to the needs of development and design. Amidst the cacophony of construction sites and the dusty haze of quarries, bulldozers are a common yet commanding presence. They shoulder the heavy lifting of pushing aside earth to create access roads or moving quarried stone. Their versatility is unmatched, often outfitted with attachments that allow them to grip, rip, and shift the very bones of the earth. In the realm of demolition, bulldozers are the bringers of change, dismantling what once was to make way for what will be. Their robust build and raw power make them ideal for tearing down structures with precision and efficiency. They nudge history aside, clearing the remnants of old edifices as a prelude to future construction. The creation of pathways that connect lives and livelihoods often begins with a bulldozer's blade. In road construction, these titans lay the groundwork, their blades grading and sculpting the substrate that will support the roads. They are instrumental in carving out routes that become the arteries of commerce and communication, paving the way for progress and connectivity.